Hi guys, welcome to Fix This House Gardening Edition. And I'm just finishing up this homemade cattle panel trellis. And I'm not sure exactly what my wife is going to grow up this trellis. Cucumbers maybe, I have no idea. But it wasn't very hard to make, and I'd like to talk to you about how I made it. It's made out of primarily a cattle panel, that's what they call these, right? Which we bought. You can get easily at Tractor Supply, something like that. And they come in 16-foot lengths, and I cut it in half. So we got an 8-foot section here. And I guess it's about, I don't know, 50 inches, a little more than 4 feet. Because what we have right now, it's standing 5 feet high. So let me tell you about the frame that I made, and to which I'm now attaching the trellis. I made it out of half-inch, the verticals I made out of half-inch rigid pipe, rigid conduit. Comes in 10-foot lengths, and it's threaded on each end. So I've got the threaded end up here and a 90-degree elbow. You can see a nice close-up of that. And it's the same on the other end. So with the one 10-foot stick of half-inch rigid pipe, we got the two sides, the two verticals. For the horizontal, I wanted to buy something a little less expensive, and I went with half-inch EMT. That's the electrical thin wall conduit. So I used these set screw connectors to go from the 90-degree threaded elbow to the EMT set screw connectors, and tightened it down. And what's nice about that is it's so easy to cut this pipe at whatever length works for you. And with the one 16-foot cattle panel, we're going to be able to actually make 2 of these. And it's held in place. I drove some half-inch rebar 8 feet apart into the ground, and then we brought the completed trellis and just set it right on top of that half-inch rebar. And that seems pretty sturdy. And all I'm doing now, finishing up this last step, is just trimming off some of these wires. I used the wire I used to tie the cattle panel to the frame was it's actually wire designed for electric fence. I just one time bought a big spool of it at probably a Tractor Supply, and I don't use it for electric fence. It's one of those things that I buy and use for a million things except for what it was designed. So now just tightening these down a little bit and trimming off the excess, and that's all there is to it. And it came together in an hour's time, and now I'm looking forward to seeing what we can grow. What did it cost us? I think the vertical, the 10-foot half-inch rigid was like 25 bucks plus change and tax. I bought the EMT in a 10-foot length and cut it down to 8 foot, and that was like $12.50. Then the connectors, I don't remember. I bought a pack of 5 EMT set screw connectors, these 2 elbows, a couple of bucks a piece. What did we pay for a 16-foot cattle panel? It was like 33 bucks. And of course I'm just using half of it, so half of that, $16.50 or $16.75 or whatever. Probably will last several growing seasons, so hopefully we'll get our money's worth out of it. All right, so wife's got some plants lined up at the base here, and they're eager to get growing. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.